Hi friends, I'm Ms. Ellie. Welcome to Bright Learners. Today we're going to explore 100 amazing ocean creatures. Are you ready to dive in? Let's go.
Tide pool life.
Tide pool life.
Barnacle.
Barnacle.
Brittle star.
Brittle star.
Clam.
Clam.
Crab.
Crab.
Hermit crab.
Hermit crab.
Limpet.
Limpet.
Mussel.
Mussel.
Sand dollar.
Sand dollar.
Sand hopper.
Sand hopper.
Sculpin.
Sculpin.
Sea anemone.
Sea anemone.
Sea cucumber.
Sea cucumber.
Sea slug.
Sea slug.
Sea snail.
Sea snail.
Sea sponge.
Sea sponge.
Sea urchin.
Sea urchin.
Seaweed.
Seaweed.
Shore crab.
Shore crab.
Starfish.
Starfish.
Whelk.
Whelk.
Shallow sea wonders.
Shallow sea wonders.
Diver.
Diver.
Angelfish.
Angelfish.
Barracuda.
Barracuda.
Beluga whale.
Beluga whale.
Blenny.
Blenny.
Blue lobster.
Blue lobster.
Blue whale.
Blue whale.
Butterfly fish.
Butterfly fish.
Clownfish.
Clownfish.
Cod.
Cod.
Conch.
Conch.
Coral.
Coral.
Coral grouper.
Coral grouper.
Cuttlefish.
Cuttlefish.
Damselfish.
Damselfish.
Dolphin.
Dolphin.
Eel.
Eel.
flying fish,
flying fish,
glass shrimp,
glass shrimp,
great white shark,
great white shark,
hammerhead shark,
hammerhead shark,
lionfish,
lionfish,
lobster,
lobster,
manatee,
manatee,
moray eel,
moray eel,
narwhal,
narwhal,
ocean sunfish,
ocean sunfish,
octopus,
octopus,
orca,
orca,
oyster,
oyster,
parrotfish,
parrotfish,
pipefish,
pipefish,
pufferfish,
pufferfish,
salmon,
salmon,
scallop,
scallop,
seahorse,
seahorse,
seal,
seal,
sea lion,
sea lion,
sea turtle,
sea turtle,
shrimp,
shrimp,
sperm whale,
sperm whale,
squid,
squid,
stingray,
stingray,
stonefish,
stonefish,
swordfish,
swordfish,
tiger shark,
tiger shark,
tuna,
tuna,
turbot,
turbot,
walrus,
walrus,
whale shark,
whale shark,
wrasse,
wrasse,
deep sea marvels,
deep sea marvels,
anglerfish,
anglerfish,
atolla jellyfish,
atolla jellyfish,
barreleye fish,
barreleye fish,
blobfish,
blobfish,
deep sea spider,
deep sea sea spider,
dragonfish,
dragonfish,
Dumbo octopus,
Dumbo octopus,
faceless fish,
faceless fish,
fangtooth fish,
fangtooth fish,
firefly squid,
firefly squid,
ghost shark,
ghost shark,
giant isopod,
giant isopod,
giant squid,
giant squid,
glass octopus,
glass octopus,
glass squid,
glass squid,
gulper eel,
gulper eel,
hagfish,
hagfish,
hydroid,
hydroid,
jellyfish,
jellyfish,
lanternfish,
lanternfish,
leafy sea dragon,
leafy sea dragon,
ribbonfish,
ribbonfish,
sea pig,
sea pig,
snipe eel,
snipe eel,
stoplight loose jaw,
stoplight loose jaw,
vampire squid,
vampire squid,
viper fish,
viper fish,
mythical sea creatures,
mythical sea creatures,
kraken,
kraken. From Norse myths, a giant sea monster that pulls ships underwater.
mermaid,
Mermaid. A sea creature with a woman's top and a fish's tail, found in many cultures.
leviathan,
Leviathan. A giant sea beast from the Bible that stands for chaos and power.
sea serpent,
Sea serpent. A huge snake-like sea monster from sailor stories and Norse myths.
siren,
Siren. A beautiful sea creature from Greek myths who sings to trick sailors.
Cthulhu,
Cthulhu. A powerful sea god with an octopus face from modern horror stories.
naiad,
Naiad. Water spirits from European myths that look human and live in lakes or seas.
sea dragon,
Sea dragon. A sea dragon from world myths that guards treasure or sacred places.
Sea witch.
Sea witch. A magical woman from European legends who lives in the sea and controls storms.
Jellyfish spirit.
Jellyfish spirit. A glowing jellyfish spirit from fantasy stories, floating gently in the sea.
Great job, everyone! You learned so much about ocean creatures today. Keep exploring and stay curious. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun and easy English learning. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.